Hello children, today we will learn direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. Or we have the another name for this, reported speech. Reported speech. Okay, so here we have to we're going to learn that how to change this direct statement into indirect statement. Okay, so what is direct statement and what is indirect statements? So direct statements means, first we'll see what is this direct statement. So the first person will be telling to the second person. Okay, he tells the statements directly other person. Okay, for example, we know in English we have first person, second person, third person. Imagine here this person is talking with this person A and B, and one more person C is there here. Okay, now the conversation is happening between these two people for A and B, first person and second person, here third person. Okay, whatever this person says to this person, the statement is direct form. That statement is direct form. For example, he says, this person says, I can say like that, A says to B, okay, comma. After that, we had exact statement we had to say, right? For example, he said, I am hungry. Okay, that is a normal assertive statement. A says, A told this B, I am hungry. In present tense, if it is present tense, says we have to use, or tells we can use. So it is a normal statement. I am hungry. He says that he is hungry. Right. Now this statement exact is there. No? I am hungry. Whatever the exact words that have been told by A, that statement is direct statement. That is direct statement, direct speech. Exact words without changing anything. All the expressions, whatever he said, exactly whatever he has spoken, everything we will keep inside the quotations. This is the way to write the direct speech. So first, what the first person is telling, A, how he is telling, says, present tense or past tense. Present tense means we can say says to whom. If we know the other person, second person we know, we can put B. Name you know, we can write Anil says to Sunil, like that we can write. So just I am telling the example. After that, we have to separate this part and this part by using comma. Got it? We have to separate this part and this part. So by using comma, then start the quotations, double quotations. Okay? Then start the double quotations, and exactly whatever the statement that may by A, the first person, we have to put and close the quotations. Before the quotations is for whatever it may be, interrogative statements or exclamative statements, whatever that the marks you need to use, you can put before the quotations. Now imagine this person, C person is not there in this conversation, he doesn't know what this person has told. Now B wants to convey this message to C. Got it? This B wants to convey this message to C. Okay. So in two ways he can convey. One is exact method, exactly whatever message that he told, exactly he can put, that is conveying in the direct method. That is conveying in the direct method. And another method is indirect form. Indirectly we can say. So let me explain how to write, and this verb is called reported verb or reporting verb. Reporting verb, which this verb. Now I want to write, now B wants to convey this message to C. So how we will see? For B, he has to start because he doesn't know what A said. So now who is conveying? Mediator, he is B. So B says, B is conveying the message to C. How can he say? He says, right? He says. Now, so B is so indirect form I am writing. Okay. Now he says, or A says that. A says that. So here A is the name. Imagine just A says that. We have to use that conjunction. We have to use and remove this comma. We have to remove this comma. We are clubbing these two and making one sentence. So in order to club this, A says that, we have to use the conjunction that. Okay. Now for C, C doesn't know this person I. So how it will become? I refers to whom? A. Imagine this is male only. So then we can use he. A says that he. A says that he. Who is that? A is the he, male. I am telling that. Then I am hungry, that is present tense, and says is also present tense. It is not the past tense. So we have to use is itself. He is hungry. Okay. A says that he is hungry. That's all. This is indirect form. Okay. This is just introduction part, brief introduction I gave. So in order to change the direct statement into indirect statement, we need to follow some rules. Okay. We had to follow some rules as how we learned and the active voice, passive voice, same thing. First thing here, tenses are very important. Present tense or past tense, that is very, very important. So without knowing the tense, we can't change this. Okay. So just before going to that, just small rules I will give you little, okay, so that you can easily understand. For example, here. So I told that says is the reporting verb. Okay. First rule, if reporting verb, okay, reporting verb and the direct statement is present tense. Present tense. Example in the bracket I will say or says, okay, tell or tells. If you find such statements, okay, then what we have to use? Then in the indirect statement, what are the changes that we need to do? Okay, then present tense will be, okay. So then here direct and here indirect. Here present tense is there, here also we have to use present tense. Future is there, we have to use future. For example, as I told, am is there or is or there. Here also we have to use is or are. Will only, will or shall, even can, same thing we have to use. No need to change the verbs. Has is there, has only. Have, based on the singular or plural, it will be changing. Even had. When these reporting verbs are present tense, nothing will be changed. Example, I will say the example. So as well we have done actually. So let me explain the example. Ellen says, I will go to market. Okay, I will go to market. How to change this? So, Alan says, I told no, we had to remove this comma and use that. Alan says that. And no need to use the quotations again. Remove the two quotations, this here and here, starting and ending. Then Alan says that this I refers to whom? Alan, right? I refers to Alan, isn't it? So, Alan is male or female? Male. So, Alan says that he. Instead of I, we have to write he. I said will is there? Will only, because reporting verb is present tense. So, as usual we have to use he will. Remaining statement is same. Go to market. So, no need to change. Another example, see. For example, he tells me you can come to my house. So, little changes we have to do here. He tells me you can come to my house. So, how to change this into reported speech? I mean indirect speech. So, start. He tells, same, he tells me. Same we have to use. After that, what I said, we have to remove this, the quotation, comma, and put that. He tells me that. Okay. Then, this person is talking to whom? You. We have to take me. So, here you refers to whom? We have to take for ourselves. I. Okay. So, this you will become I. Because you should take me refers to us only, right? We have to take ourselves. He tells me that I can only, no? So, I told can is can only. So, we can use I can come. I can come to whose house? My house, right? So, this my refers to whom? This person, first person, he. Getting, no? Don't get confused. This my house, he didn't say to come home. My house is presenting. So, my refers to whom? This he, the first person. So, we have to use the objective form to his house. Sorry, not objective, possessive form. If we put, imagine, I can come to my home. Is it meaningful? Can we convey the same message? No, we can't convey the same message. So, we have to change because my house refers to this, not this person, other person, the first person, he. So, he has become his, possessive form, his house. I can come to his house. Okay, let me explain one more example so that you can understand that. Okay, she says to me, okay, I will give you my book. Okay, I will give you my book. Understood? She says to me, I will give you my book. It means that someone, your friend, told that she would give her book to you. Okay. Now, what are the changes that we know? So, this is exactly we have to write like that one. She says to me. Then what we have to use the conjunction? We have to remove this comma. Don't put comma again. Remove that and use the conjunction that. She says to me that. This I refers to whom? She. Right. So, we have to use that she will. Will become will only because the reporting verb is present tense. We should not change. The verbs are as usual. Then she will give only. After that, you refers to whom? we have to take for ourselves. Me means, right, me is there, so that is for yourself. She will give me. She will give me. Right. Then my book. Whose book this is? That is not your book. If you put my book, that is meaningless. Right. The message will not be conveyed in the exact meaning. So, my refers to whom? That is very important. We have to check. Who? She. The first person is she. So, whose book? That is her book. The possessive form of she is her. Her book. Understood? She says to me that she will give me her book. Got it? Okay, just have this much only today. In the next class, I will explain little more. We will go to the past tense. If the reporting verb is the past tense, what are the changes that we need to do? That I will explain in the next class, because at a time I can't put all the stuff into your mind. Don't get confused. Just once again go through this. After any doubts you can ask me. Okay, easy only, don't get confused.